Halley's Comet comes around more than I do, but you're all it takes for me to break a promise. It's silly me to fall in love with you. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Halley's Comet by Billie Eilish. It's from the latest album, and I'm going to show you guys how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate player, the advanced player. Just make sure your guitar's inside a tuning picture cap on fret number 4, and yes, we're going to do even the outro where the chords change with the same capo position. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Let's just restart the song so that I'm sure I'm giving you guys the right chords from the get-go. So first I'm going to show you the chords before we do the advanced stuff with the finger picking and whatever, right? So we have G, 3, 2, open, 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 3, and then we have a D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. But for the purpose of the song, we're going to be playing it up here, which is 2, open, open, 2, okay? And then we have E minor, open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we have C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Okay, so the progression goes like this. This is the intro. We have G, D to E minor, okay? And then we go C, D, right? So that's G, D, E minor, C, and then G, back to D, okay? And the plucking is intermediate playing, so I'll show you the strings to pluck. But for the beginner, you want to just strum that. So we have G, D to E minor, C, and then G, D. And my strumming pattern is pretty simple. I'm just going down, down, up, down, 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 and then we go C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, right? And then again, we go C, D, E minor, and then A minor, okay? And the A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, right? So that's C. Right, so that's C, D, and then we go to E minor, and then A minor, and then stay on A minor. This is a D minor, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Okay, but for the purpose of this tutorial, you can just play A minor, which is just open, 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 2, 3, open, and just strum up to string number 2, and then we're back to G to conclude. So the chords all in all are, let's play them together, just the whole bar, right? This is your intro verse. It's what you're going to be playing most part of the song. G, D, E minor. Alright, and then we go C, G, D. Alright, and then again C, D, E minor to A minor. And then that D minor. Hold it. play A minor twice and then get into D minor. All right, so let's just restart that again. I'm scrolling back. There we go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We have G, D, E minor, and then we go to C, and then back to G, and then we have another D, and then again C, off to D, and then E minor to A minor, and then again A minor, and then D minor, and then back to G. All right. Halley's Comet comes around at you, but the stars takes a hit and make her proud. And then we get into I haven't slept. That's G. Okay, so I haven't slept since Sunday. G. This is a B minor 7. Open 2, open 2, 3, open. You can play it as a bar chord if you can, but this sounds better and it's easier to play. Right, so I haven't promised Monday. That's D minor 7, and then we go to G and then D. So G, B minor 7, C, and then G, D. And you play that twice, and then we're back to C, the na 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 na. Alright, so that's C, D, E minor to A minor. And then again, A minor, D minor, back to G. Alright, and then we get into that interlude that so I'm just going through the whole song so that I'm sure I give you all the chords. And then we have... Okay, so the last part is... Right, so that's C. Okay, so we have C, and then we have... So that's C. That's for you. Okay, or you can play it as C. That's a D. That's a D minor, right? And then back to G, and then we get into I'm sitting in my brother's room, whatnot, and I think this is where the chords change. This is where the chords change. So here we're now playing. This is a G minor. So you basically bar 3rd fret and then you play E minor on fret number 5. So it becomes 3, 5, 5, open, open, open. Alright, and that's the only bar chord, so don't skip yet. We'll play back to C. And then we have F. F you can play as 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. So sorry, G minor to C, F, this is a B, should be B flat, yeah, B flat. which is the relevant chords for this case are open 1, open 1, mute or X, 3 3 3 3 3 3 1, or you can just hold this, which is an A on fret number 3. A is open. Okay, so this is open, open, 3 3 3, open, and A is on the second fret, so that's 2 2 2. All right, you can just play this and not play the bass, but it's easier to. It's not that difficult to put the bass in there. All right, so this part is basically G minor to C, F to B flat minor. Alright, and that's basically it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hold on. Okay, I haven't shown you the advanced way to play it, the intermediate way to play it. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, so the intermediate player wants to pluck the strings, alright, and I'm going to show you each of the chords, how to pluck them, and then we get into the advanced way to play it. Okay, so for G we have 6 4 3 2, right, and then for D we have 6 4 3, and then for E minor 6 5 4 3. Yeah, and then we go to C 5 4 3. We have back to D, and then for A minor it's 5 4 3 again, just like C. And then the second time it's now 5 4 3 2. And then for D it's 4 3 2. Back to G 6 4 3 2. All right, so Halley is coming. So you can combine that with strums where you think it's applicable. And then let's get into the advanced way to play it, right? So again, restarting the song. Okay, so we're gonna replicate the piano at the beginning. So we have okay, so C. Okay, you can play that for your intro, your verse, since the chords remain the same throughout the song. So that's basically okay, so I'm using the same chords. So if you watched beginner and intermediate, you already know the chords. I'm just going to show you the lead here, which is open on 5th, and then we come to 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then we have open 3rd to 2nd fret of the 4th fret. So you're coming up with the strings, right? Now bunched up with the chords, you have G, and then you go to D, and then you have E minor. And all these notes are literally on the chords. So if you got the chords, all you need to do is know what strings to strum. So for G, we're strumming to string number 2, and then for D, we're strumming to string number 3, and then for E minor, we strum to 3, and then we come to 4 actually. So 3 4, right? And then this is, which is open, sorry, 2nd hammer off, second fret hammer off on the 3rd string, and then we have C, and we're strumming to string number 4. Right? So there's now C, D, C, so C, and then 4th, C, 6, 5, 4, C, C, and then 3rd string open, and then you hammer on the 2nd fret of that 3rd string while holding the D, and then open 2nd, 1, so that's what we're replicating. Again, it's on the chords, so D, and then A minor, right? And then you have this is 3rd fret to 1st fret on the 2nd string. This one is not on A minor or on D minor. So that's 3, 1, open on 2nd string, go to 3rd, 2, and then again open on 2nd fret. Okay, 1st fret of 2nd string, open, back to 2nd of the 3rd string, open. So so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Do subscribe to the channel, leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.